In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coil on your Subaru Impreza, located on the side of the engine. I'm going to remove the negative cable off of the battery using a 10mm wrench. On the side of the engine, I'm going to remove the connector off of the rear ignition coil, push on the clip, and then pull off, and tuck that out behind. And there is a 10mm bolt where you're going to remove. Now I'm going to pull the ignition coil out, pull it up towards the front of the car, and remove it. Install the ignition coil in the passenger side Then I'm going to reinstall my 10mm bolt. I'm going to use a 10mm on a ratchet just to snug this bolt down. And then we're going to torque it to 9 foot-pounds. Reconnect your connector. And push it on until you hear a click. And we're going to go ahead and reinstall our negative cable. This little plastic piece goes on that post. Put your negative cable on, tighten it down with a 10mm wrench.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.